Hello guys, today we will play my childhood game. I have a lot of childhood games, a lot, like a lot of them. So yeah, we are going to kill this little bitch right here. Oh shit, fuck. No, I'm going to stab you in your ass. Die! No! Fuck! No! Uh, no! Die, you stupid bitch! Die! Die! Now you can. I am not cursing in German. I'm always cursing in German now. No! Nein, du Hurensohn! Nein! Yay! You die! Uh, you will die. You will die. You will die. Die. YouTube, this is a fighting game, remember. Not real life. Oh, that was easy. But let me play with hard. Hehe. There was murderous stickman. What the? Why is he actually so strong? What the fuck? Die, die. I want to die right now. Yeah, you're on the ground right now. No, it's me in the balls. I will murder you right now. Yeah, you with stupid ass soul. I want to throw you. Why are you murdering me? I will stab back, boy. Oh, that hurts. Yeah, I'm ready, bitch. Die! No! No! Haha, called stupid ass bitch. The red man has nothing. What the fuck? Why is he so strong? Let's get on the platform. You are not loud. Go back into the sea. Yeah! No, die, you bitch! What the fuck? Okay, I'm just. Okay, let me just come. Oh no, I hate this map. No. No. What the fuck? I will be a shit. Die. I have to defend myself. No. Why the fuck is he taking so much life off me? What the fuck? Bro, he's so. Bro, my weapon is literally stuck. Yeah! 5. I have 5. And you don't, you ass. Hehe. You are bad. You are bad at the game. No! I die again. It's good. Oh. Die! Die! Why don't you fucking die? How the fuck? Ah! Fuck! Fuck! Come. I can't defend myself right now. I'm being brutally murdered right now. And he's kicking the sword in my head right now. I'm literally dying right now. And no, no, I can't defend myself right now. Yeah. What the fuck? He has no health and still he's alive. I just fought. What the fuck? No, me. What happens if I go up here, actually? No, like seriously, what the hell is happening? What? You! I will rage! I swear, I will rage! I will rage! I will rage! You know what? I'm leaving, bitch! I'm leaving. I'm leaving. What the? Oh, bro, what the fuck did I do to deserve this? Swear on my life, I will rage. I will rage. Wait, I'm gonna kill it now. Shit, he's grabbing me. I think I will die. I'm going to knock your ass. Wait a second. No, die. What the fuck? Die. You will die. Oh. No, 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 no. Ooh, that was close, actually. Oh god. I knocked him straight in his eye. And again, oh shit. He's killing me. No, why the fuck am I jumping so wide? Away? No. Busula Sassy! Sassy Baka! Sassy Amokus! No! How did you dare to tell me I am the mystery cat?